Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to a quick review video. Now, if you follow my channel, you will know that I have recently purchased myself a Ryobi impact driver, and I will link the video of the unboxing and review down below in the description box. And as you just saw in the introduction, I went back to Bunnings to get a few things, and I came across this 150-piece driving kit. Now, this was only $29.95, which is really cheap by Australian standards. And I do have some of these drivers. I do have some of these, and I've got a couple of different ones. I don't have any that size, and there's a whole heap of different drivers in here, as well as the adapter. And for $29.95, I couldn't leave it there. This is a complete go-to driver kit. It's all in one. I can pick this up and take it with me, and I can have it in my workshop, and pretty much any fastener that I need to drive, I should be able to find a bit for it in here. Let's just flip it over and have a look at the back of it. Okay, this gives you a bit of an idea of the different drivers that come in the box. Okay, you've got all different shaped drivers there. Torx drivers, nut drivers, and you've also got socket adapters. These will come in really handy. Now, one socket adapter did come with the driver, and I've got it here. That actually came with the Ryobi impact driver, and that's sort of the intermediate size that's also in there. But you've also got a 1/4-inch drive and a 1/2-inch drive in here, which will come in really handy, I think. And you've got all these different nut drivers, various sizes, for all the different fasteners that are commonly used. I have not seen this kit before, 150 piece. It's not even on the Bunnings website. I checked their website, I couldn't find it on there. And I can't find it anywhere. So I'm not sure if this is my local Bunnings. They've just had these sitting there near where the drill bits were. And I haven't seen them anywhere else for sale or even advertised. Like I said, I cannot even find them on the Australian Ryobi website. So I've got a cable tie there keeping it shut. There you go. It's got like a little cover thing on top there. And here's the drivers. Let's have a closer look at what we get. There you go, they look nice. There's the nut drivers, various sizes. And there's the adapter. There's all the various small bits that you can use with your driver to drive various fasteners, security fasteners, etc. Quite a comprehensive kit, especially for the price. Look, it's less than $30. You'd be crazy not to have one of these kits in your shed if you do any sort of work. Even if you do minimal work, this will come in really handy for almost everyone. Once you have a kit like this, you'll be surprised how often you would actually use it. There you go, that's a closer look. Also, I didn't show you before, there's a little carry handle here built into the case. Now, here's the test. Okay, I'm very happy. Okay, none of the bits have come out of their location and are flying around. Let's test it again. Let's make sure. There you go, they all stay put. I was a little bit scared that once you take this little insert out that I've taken out, that these will all go flying around inside the case, but they don't. So I'm really happy with these. Time will tell how they wear, but I mean, look, the Ryobi stuff's been pretty good. I've had other Ryobi drivers and stuff, and they've been fairly reliable. And I'm sure this kit will last me a lot of years. Now, if you haven't already got one of these, I would go out to Bunnings and grab one before they're all gone, because I've got a feeling these might not be there forever. Maybe they're like a Christmas thing or something, or just a limited edition kit that they've brought out. I might be wrong on that, but look, $29.95, grab one, and you will have this for years to come, and you will get a lot of use out of this. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the driving kit, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.